Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel today. And if you're new here, my name is Jinsu and I'm a freshman studying business and marketing from University of Washington. So today, instead of me talking in front of camera for 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to work on something else, and which is my vision board. And on this vision board, I'm going to write about my 1-year short-term goals and 5-year long-term goals. So I'm gonna probably divide this to half. So like my short-term goal and my long-term goal. And that's about it. So most of my vision board is me writing my goals on a whiteboard. The reason why I want to make my vision board is that I want to remind myself why I am working and what I am working for, so that every day, it's another day and it's another step for me to get to that goal, achieve that goals, and get what I want. And I got this idea of vision board and writing down all my burning desires, my goals and everything from a book called Think and Grow Rich. And this is this book right here. This book talks about the importance of the power of thoughts and the power of burning desire and the power of affirmation. So by having this vision board, I'm going to be able to remind myself why I'm working, tell myself that I will be able to achieve the goal. I'll cut the intro right there and I'm going to start working on my vision board. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so before I start, I'm going to show you what I have brought to make my vision board less boring. So I have some pictures right here, and I have some color markers for the whiteboard, and I have my whiteboard. That's it. Let's begin. Alright, so I'm going to set up my camera at different angles so you guys can actually see me working on my vision board. Alright, so let's start with cutting all the pictures off. Done. So this one means that I want to be like a businessman, you know, and I love wearing a suit, so that's why I printed this photo. And no music, no life, meaning I love music, I love playing violin. And this is a microphone, and that is because I want to start my own podcast. And airplane in the sky because I want to travel a lot. And a big house. I want to have my own house before I graduate from college. That's my goal. Alright, so now we're gonna start putting them in the whiteboard. So 1-year short-term goals and 5-year long-term goals. Alright, let's get it. Done. It's not that bad actually, right? I kind of like it. Hello guys, so thanks for watching this video, and I'm done making my vision board for today. Let's put this on the wall. Alright, so that's it. That's on my wall. So if I sit on my desk, I kind of like it. It's not bad, right? Yeah. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video, and thank you so much for coming to this video as well. And if you have a chance to get a whiteboard or a big piece of paper, I think you should also make your own vision board, because I think it's gonna help me a lot. And I'll make another video about how vision board actually helped me for like a month or two or in the long term. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video so that you can keep watching my video and you will stay updated to my weekly videos. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below or DM me to my Instagram right here. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good rest of your day, and bye bye.